Oh, well, that's not supposed to happen.
That was shit.
Good morning, guys. So this is episode 3, probably like day 10, and we got some exciting news. So yes, I got another one. This one is probably arguably in worse shape. We got some severe front end damage. This is zip tied on. Here we go. This. The angles of that is not looking great. And apart from that though, it all looks good. It just looks like front end damage. The other thing with this one though, is it is a repairable write-off. So this chassis here in Australia, the repairable write-offs can be repaired. And then the stat write-offs, which is the black one there, they cannot be re-registered. So it'll be good because I'll have one for the road and one for the track. However, I like the look of the black one a bit more. So I'm actually going to have to swap all the black parts onto this bike here. And the other thing with this bike is it didn't come with any keys. So to get a whole new key system from Yamaha, which you're looking at. So yeah, the key system on this thing is pretty expensive. It's $1,800, and this one did not come with the keys. And basically the whole new key system is like the keys, the ignition barrel, and even the I can't. It might be the ECU, the little box at the back here. I'm not sure if that's the ECU or the ECU is under the seat here, like it is on the Hondas. And yeah, so that's expensive. But I'm thinking if I turn it into track bike, then I can just run keyless. And I haven't looked into that, but I'm hoping you don't need a key to run like a keyless system. So yeah, I also think it's a bit of a bummer that these forks are bent. I was really hoping they weren't, but it looks like there's a slight bend in them, which is pretty annoying. I was really hoping to do a all black bike with the gold stanchion, forks, because as far as I know, that would be the only one I've ever seen in the world in terms of R7s, and then it would look kind of like the black R1s or the R1Ms. So thought that would have been a cool little touch to this one, but yeah, I'm still not sure. It looks like if these here are damaged, then I'm gonna have to get all new forks, which ain't gonna be cheap. So yeah, this here, as you can see, just completely destroyed, snapped off in there. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna get it inside now, and I'm gonna get onto the black bike and I'm gonna start tearing it apart. So yeah, I'm gonna take off the I think the fuel tank at least, and I'm gonna put that one on, that fuel tank on, and while I'm at it, I might have a look at the wiring and how that all works under here, because I think when I take this off, then I'll be able to I'll take the seat off, and I can see all the wiring harness, and hopefully it's just plug and play. And yeah, so this is what I was talking about there. Not sure if it's the ECU or, yeah, not sure. Yeah, we'll get a crack on with that. guys, so the tank's off, and would you have a look at that? It's already got a DNA air filter and a, you know, high flow bracket. I nearly spent like 300 bucks the other day. I nearly bought one of those. Turns out, it's already got one. It's good. However, it's still running the Lamb's throttle plate. So we'll order one of those, but you know, they're like 30 bucks. And then get the ECU flashed. Been looking at a few different guys, and if I get 2 of them done, hopefully I can get a deal. Right now I'm just going to jump onto this one and do the same thing, take the fuel tank off and the rear seat. I'm not sure about how I'm going to get this off because I don't have the keys. And I would like to keep this, I think. And so yeah, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that, but yeah. I want to plug everything up, double check everything, and then hopefully try to get this running. Although in saying that, it does need I think it needs a new radiator. This one looks really bent up. So I'm not sure how much that's going to cost, which is yeah, a bit annoying, but it is what it is. I want to get the black bike ready, so track, basically track ready, and yeah, and then the road bike is just going to be basically a work in progress. Oh yeah, this one also came with GB Racing covers, so I'm going to take those off and put them on the track bike. I got some AliExpress carbon fiber ones, which I'll put on the road bike. Just one, they probably don't work as well. So, and there's a lower risk, obviously, of me stacking it on the road than on the track. And then also, they look a bit better. So, yeah, let's get into it. Hello guys, welcome to the next morning. So I've already gotten a start. I've made this this little wooden frame, I guess. So I don't actually have a front stand for this thing. So I'm going to try hoist it up with this frame to get it off the ground, so I can get that front wheel off and get some of the weight off the front end. But right now I'm just got to remove the radiator, so I've already drained the fluid, and yeah, I'm gonna continue on with that, and I'll get you guys an update soon. Wow, this one here is so much looser than the other one. Way looser. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. The other one was impossible to get off. Yeah. It's tough. So guys, we're going to take these forks off. Well, it looks like this one can just come straight off because it's not attached to anything. Take this handlebar off quickly. Here it is. Let's get the other one off. Okay guys, so we're all done with taking the front forks off, taking the front wheel off, calipers, etc. I'm going to leave everything now and I'm going to clean up all of this shit that's around here. I've made quite a mess over the last week or so, so I'm going to do that now. I could do a bit more on the two bikes, but I don't want to do anything else until I have the all the parts available. So yeah, I got to drill out the keys and switch them over along with the ECUs. Find some forks. I'm still looking for parts. I think I found a place down in Victoria that can send me up some forks. I'm pretty disappointed that these couple are bent. But when I saw the pictures, I knew it was a possibility, so it is what it is. And I still got a good deal for it, so yeah, we'll get cracking on with this cleanup. Alrighty guys, so it's a few days later now. I have actually worked a bit on the bikes. I've taken off the triple tree from the anniversary bike, and I've also taken both of the key cylinders off the two bikes. Now I'm thinking now I'm going to try and get this one going. Just see if it's running. So yeah, I got to swap the ECUs over the key cylinders, and yeah, we'll see if it starts. Another thing is I also taken apart these forks, both of them, and both of them are very bent, which is a bit disappointing, but it is what it is. So yeah. I got the key switch here from the other bike, and I'll plug that up. Right. So I got a dash, key, fuel pump, ECU. See. We're in neutral, fuel tank's on, keys are connected. just realized that there's no exhaust on it. So. Headphones.